Heckin' nuts! Gunpla Bro here, and today I would like to introduce you to my all-new workspace. Pretty great. Build station, my editing station, and a little bit of kits on my extra shelf here. I don't really have much to say about it yet. That's coming up in a future video. But I thought I'd show you what it looks like so far. Still have a bit of work to do on it, but it's coming out super good. It's much better than my old setup. But I'm not here to talk about that today. I'm here to tell you all about a brand new Gunpla retailer in the US called Leaping Panda Hobbies.com. I got this haul to test their site out, give them some conducive feedback so the shopping experience can be best for everyone. And I found that their site is remarkably put together for such a brand new site. They have their shit together. I ordered this package Tuesday. It got all the way from Michigan to my state in 2 days. That is well on the other side of the country. So they really have their shit together. So I highly recommend you check out leapingpandahobbies.com. Order some Gunpla. Support a new retailer in this growing market. And that's all I have to say. But anyway, let's open up this big old box of goodies and see what's inside. Like all my other haul unboxings, I pre-opened it before the video to make sure everything was squared away. And this package arrived in perfect condition. So here we go. Oh. Oh, nothing makes you feel weaker than throwing a piece of paper as hard as you can. First up, don't look at that. First up, we have High Grade Gundam Justice Knight. I've been looking everywhere for this kit, and I finally found one. Been sold everywhere, so really happy about this one. It looks like a really cool kit with a really cool build. I've seen tons of videos and pictures of it, and I really like it. Been trying to get my hands on it for a minute. Finally got one. Love this kit. Very cool. Next up, I have a very fun kit I've been dying to get, and I'm so excited to show you what's in store. Mega size RX-78. Beautiful. 1/48 scale RX-78. This is going to be so fun to build. I can't wait. Let's open it up a little bit, look around inside. I'm going to do a proper unboxing video, but this is just for fun. Oh, airtight. Yes. Yes. Yes, sirroonie. Look at these big old beam sabers, man. That could be chopsticks. Very cool. The shield, also extremely ridiculously huge. Look at his butt, man. That's also huge. Cannot wait to build this kit, man. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Ever since I first laid my eyes upon it. It also comes with some materials here. I guess this is more like a magazine than a instruction guide here. Yeah, it's more like a how-to Gunpla rather than how to build the mega-sized kit. Very cool. big box of big problems. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, wait. This is a very difficult box to close. Okay. Hello, hello. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. It's airtight. As I was saying, they also sent me some bonuses here. You have a sticker, a panda, then a little R78. Very cute. They also sent me, there was 3 Gundam 40th anniversary lottery tickets. They appeared to be gone, the 3rd one. So they also sent me a very kind letter thanking me for shopping at their store. Dear Gunpla Bro, we at Leaping Panda want to say thank you for being a customer. We know that there are lots of choices available to you to purchase your models. We want to make sure that you are satisfied with your purchase. If you have any problems or suggestions, please reach out to us. We want to become your go-to source for Gundam models. I enjoyed our conversation, and as a token of our appreciation, there is an extra little something for you. Please, if you have the time, leave a rating on Facebook for our store and give us a shout out on social media. Your words will help us grow. Have a wonderful day and happy building. Sincerely, the Leaping Panda family. Very nice. How wholesome is that? They also gave me a little bonus in my order. A Zaku II entry grade. Very cool. I love these. I have an RX-78 too, so it would be perfect to go along with that. Now, I'm going to pack all this back up into this box here. On to a very important matter. I discussed earlier that I wanted to do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. The prize of this giveaway is very nice. And I want to stress that I made no small sacrifice to procure this prize. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a Perfect Grade Zaku II. So please, if you would like to win this kit, share my channel with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with your dog, share it with anyone you think might be interested in Gunpla content. Because I'm in this for the long haul, baby. I want to make a great channel, and I can't do it without your help. And this is my way of giving back. So please, like this video, comment on it, share it, and get the word out. Because I really want to give this kit away. I'm so tempted to build it. Please don't make me wait too long. In other news, the Gurren Lagann Pliobot unboxing is out, and I will begin working on the build of this kit Friday and Saturday. The review should be out sometime next week. Some other small things, I obviously got a new setup. I have a friend who has a spray booth, and good internet, which is another big one. I have horrible internet. I'm trying to fix that. It's been hell trying to get a Cox technician to come into my house to fix up my internet and make it better, and it's just been a nightmare. I'm with AT&T right now, and Cox is the only other ISP in my area, and it's a whole thing, and they're not letting people into homes because of the coof, and that's that. But I have a friend with a spray booth and a good internet connection, and hopefully I'll be able to start doing build streams really soon. They won't be a frequent thing, probably once a month. I don't want to be a burden. I don't want to be at his house every day for so and so hours and just, no. Okay, I just want to do very intimate, once a month, little build streams where we can talk and chat. Don't think about those as like a weekly thing. It's not going to happen for a while until this lockdown ends, which is still going on in my state. Once that lockdown lifts and I can get good internet, I will be streaming once a week for sure. But that is all, Mecha Nuts. Until next time, the best is yet to come. Gunpla Bro out.